Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramakrishna. In this video, we are going to talk about the two famous transport layer protocol, that is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Diagram Protocol. Let's understand what is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol is one of the main protocol of the Internet Protocol. Like TCP, I can say that connection-oriented protocol. Here we establish the connection between the client and server before before transferring the data. Let me show you how the TCP establishes a connection between the client and server by using a three-way handshake and create a session. In this session, we use it to communicate, like a client and server use it to communicate with each other. Like client send the request and server responds back as a response. This is how TCP connections looks like. It's a three-way handshake. Let me explain you TCP handshake process. Like client send a synchronizer request to the server and server acknowledge the request and send a synchronizer request back to the client. Then client acknowledge the server response and complete the connection setup. Now we are going to test TCP and UDP practically by using Netcat. What is Netcat? Netcat is a powerful tool for creating TCP and UDP connection. With the Netcat, you can test and transfer files and even set up a chat server. Now let 34 is a port number. Typing command like nc. Here I am taking localhost like 127.0.0.1 and here I am passing port number. What I passed here like 1234. Let's hit enter. Whatever the whatever the message I typed here, it will display on the client side. Like if I send a message on client side, it will send to the server. This is how the TCP connection happen by using the Netcat. Now let's understand UDP practically. Here we are establishing a chat service using UDP. For this one, I'm considering this as listener and considering this as server. For the listener, I need to pass a command like nc. Nc is nothing but netcat hyphen u for UDP hyphen l for listen on port number 1234. Hit enter. On the server side, I need to pass command like nc hyphen u. Here I'm passing localhost IP 127.0.0.1 and port number. Hit enter. Here I'm type the message hi and send. The client receive listener display the hi message on the listener side. When I type hello, it will display on the server side. This is a UDP chat service using Netcat.